This video is sponsored by Simple Truth and Kroger. Hello everybody. So today I'm here with another vegan meal idea video. I just did my grocery shopping for this upcoming week, and so I'm going to show you guys all the things I got as well as the meals I'm going to prepare with them. Everything I got on this trip is from Kroger, and Kroger is one of my all-time favorite local grocery stores to shop at just because they have so many vegan and vegan friendly items, all my specialty plant-based stuff, all my, just regular produce and everything like that. And it's just super easy to go into one store and get everything you need. So needless to say, I was so excited when Kroger reached out to me. They did want me to try out some of their new plant-based products from Simple Truth and Simple Truth Organic. So I got a lot of new stuff here. I pretty much just created my meals around the new Simple Truth products, which kind of made my shopping easier because once I had something to start with, I was like, okay, I can build around this and make a complete meal with it. So let's go ahead and get into what I got. So these are in no particular order. I just have all my stuff laid out. So first I got the Simple Truth Organic Plant-Based Sour Cream Alternative. And with this, I really want to do like a super loaded baked potato. I just think it'll be so delicious, and I'm already anticipating it. I can already see it. I can almost taste it. I'm so excited about it. So I got this, and of course I had to get some potatoes, so I got a bag of potatoes. I got some chives. And I got some vegan bacon. I always get this bacon at Kroger, and you guys have seen this in my recent what I eat in a day video. So this should be pretty simple to make. I'm just gonna bake my potato, of course, pile on this sour cream alternative. I'm gonna make this vegan bacon, and I'm gonna chop it up into little bits, sprinkle that on top, and then sprinkle the chives on. Yes, and I love potatoes in every way, shape, and form, but I think this will be like next level. And this did end up being so delicious. Oh my goodness. Topping the potato with the tangy sour cream alternative along with the vegan bacon, vegan cheese, and chives. It just made this an absolutely perfect comfort food. Also got the Simple Truth plant-based Alfredo vegan pasta sauce. So I'm going to be making a really decadent pasta dish for one of my dinner options for this week. So I got some fettuccine noodles, and I want this to be a really well-rounded dish. So I'm going to also add to it some broccoli. So I got this bag of broccoli florets. Gonna put in some sun-dried tomatoes. I actually already had them in my fridge, so I didn't need to buy any more. And the final thing I'm gonna add to my pasta is some tofu. I got the Simple Truth Organic tofu in extra firm. And to make this pasta, I'm going to roast the tofu and the broccoli. If you want to know exactly how I do it, which is super simple, I will put the link below to my recent what I eat in a day video, because that's the process that I'm going to use to make this. Of course, I'm going to boil my fettuccine noodles, and then I'm going to throw the noodles, the broccoli, the tofu, the sun-dried tomatoes into a pan, pour that Alfredo sauce on top, and just toss everything, and I think it'll turn out really good. I haven't tried this vegan Alfredo sauce, so I'm anxious to see how it tastes and all that. So that's another dinner option. The plant-based Alfredo sauce is so rich and creamy, and it made a really good base for this dish. I did go ahead and add some Cajun seasoning to put my own spin on it and bring a bit of spiciness to it, and it all turned out super yummy. Next, I got these Simple Truth Meatless Crumbles. This was really easy to come up with what I was going to do with this. I was like, that looks good. The picture on the front looks really appetizing. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do tacos. So what I got to go along with the crumbles, I got a box of these flour soft tortilla mini bowls. So this is what I'm going to use to pile in my crumbles, my toppings, all that, goodness on top. Got some tomatoes. Gotta have tomatoes. Got a thing of green leaf lettuce. Also got an avocado. I cannot live without avocado on my taco, burrito, Mexican dishes. And with this, I'm just gonna heat the crumbles in a skillet. I'm gonna add in some taco seasoning to really give it a nice flavor. Put my lettuce and tomato on, and I'm gonna make kind of like a guacamole topping with my avocado. Picked up the Simple Truth oat milk. This is lactose, soy, and nut-free. It says it's an excellent source of calcium and vitamins A and D. No sugar added, non-GMO, nothing but good stuff in here. I think I'm late to the party because I tried oat milk for the first time maybe a month or two ago, and I really like it. So of course I wanted to try out the Simple Truth brand. Oat milk is really good in tea. Oh my goodness, it just sets it off so nicely. I love the texture, I love the flavor. And for this week, I'm planning on using this oat milk in my smoothies. So I got some frozen fruit. I got the Simple Truth Organic Strawberry Banana Blend. I also got the Simple Truth Organic Berry Medley, freshly frozen raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries inside. So this is going to be really good in my smoothie. And I got a bag of spinach. I love to put fresh greens in my smoothie. It just makes me feel a lot healthier. It makes me feel like I'm really doing something good for my body. So I like to get my greens in, and I love spinach. Like, I love spinach on its own, but in a smoothie, you can't even taste it. So if you're one of those people that you're not really into spinach or you don't like vegetables, because I've actually heard a lot of people say, I don't really like vegetables, I don't really like the taste of them. Try some spinach in your smoothie, just get them in that way and you won't even taste it, and you get all the nutrients and everything like that. So I like to put spinach in my smoothie, so I got this bag. And then the oat milk is just gonna make it so smooth and rich, and I'm really just amped about this smoothie that I'm going to be making. Another new product that I picked up is the Simple Truth Organic Plant-Based French Onion Dip. And this is soy-free and dairy-free. As soon as I saw this, I knew I had to get it. I knew I wanted to try it. And I got this as a snack option. So with this, I got two different things to go along with it. I got this container of celery sticks. On here it has a celery on there, and I was like, I'll go with that. Let's see how it works. So I got these celery sticks. I think this will be great just on any type of raw vegetable, carrots, stuff like that. So I got some celery this go round, and I also got some Ripple potato chips and dip. Can't go wrong with that. Another snack item that I'm super stoked to make are these right here. These are the Simple Truth plant-based place and bake chocolate chip cookie dough. These cookies look divine on here. This pack makes 12 cookies. I'm definitely making these tonight just because looking at them, I want some right now. So I'm gonna be making these very shortly. And these, they seem to be super easy to make. They're not the ones that you have to like shape and cut and stuff like that. Just put it on a baking tray, bake it, let's see, 17 to 20 minutes at 350. So I'm gonna be making these for me and the fam, some nice, fresh baked cookies. What's better than that? Especially in the wintertime, some hot, fresh out of the oven, ooey gooey, chewy chocolate chip cookies. So really excited about these as well. You guys, once I tasted these cookies, it was love at first bite. I was blown away by how good they were. And I actually had to put myself on a bit of a restriction from not eating so many at once. They are just that tasty. Picked up the Simple Truth Organic Cream Cheese Alternative. And with that, I'm just keeping it simple. I'm gonna have it on a bagel for breakfast, and so I just picked up this pack of plain bagels. Toast these bad boys up and slather on some of that cream cheese alternative. Quick, easy breakfast. You really can't go wrong with a bagel and cream cheese. It's simple, it's filling, and it literally takes like 3 minutes to make. I paired mine with some fresh fruits for a well-rounded meal. And because I love pasta so much, I also snagged the Simple Truth plant-based Bolognese sauce. I believe that's how you pronounce it, just so I can have another pasta option in my arsenal. And this one should be even easier to make. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to use the same fettuccine noodles and boil those, of course. Put this pasta sauce in a pan, heat it up, get it all nice and hot. I might add some seasonings to it because I usually always like to customize my sauces. And then, you know, plate it up, put the Bolognese sauce on the pasta. I'll probably add some vegan Parmesan on top just to set it off really nicely. And it should only take a couple minutes to make this, so I always love a really quick, simple meal option. So yeah guys, that's all the stuff that I got. That's what I'm going to be having for this week's meals. I just want to say I'm so happy that eating plant-based, eating vegan, it's becoming so much more accessible. And what I love about Kroger is that they also make these things affordable. So the prices are competitive. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to try out these plant-based products. So if you're interested and you want to try out these Simple Truth and Simple Truth Organic new expanded line of plant-based offerings, you can click the link below. It'll take you to product info, coupons, all that good stuff. Of course, these products are only available at Kroger, so be sure to check out your local Kroger grocery store. Thanks again to Simple Truth and Kroger for sponsoring this video. Big thanks to you guys as well for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon on my next video. Peace.